Have you ever wondered how to access all our videos at the couple clicks of a button and one place where you can find them all without searching, without trying to remember? Stay tuned.
This doesn't quite matter because this was my screen. Your screen probably looks a little bit different. Let's just open up our web browser. Oh, mine goes through Gmail, and then there we go. Got me a new tab. Right, so whatever browser you have, doesn't necessarily have to be Google. And type in YouTube. And that's what I'm looking for, is just YouTube. Google search. And when you find YouTube, just however you get to it, just get to YouTube. And that's what shows up. And up here in this search bar, it's just simple. Barley and hops. And it'll pop up right there. Once you hit barley and hops, that takes you directly to the page. Now, here's where the challenge comes in. See, these are the most recent videos that we've posted. And there's one from quite a while ago. And so you see that YouTube doesn't really post them in any particular order except for how they've been viewed, plus a bunch of other stuff. Go way back up here to the top. And you see this one? This is the channel itself. Click Barley and Hops. And that opens up the official Barley and Hops YouTube channel. Now, see here? Those are the most recent ones I've posted. But if you click on videos, videos will open up every video chronologically as they were posted.
Now, isn't that relatively simple? See, now you've got them in a location. You can go back to them just a couple of clicks. You can go back and look at these as a thumbnail. You can buzz through the titles and search for the video that you're looking for, or go back to the video that you've been trying to find.
So see, here in simple terms, you can just scroll through these and find the one that you want to watch again, or you want to go back to. And it will just keep scrolling as long as there are videos in that channel. So let's back this up. Now, one of the other options you have is to open up playlists. And playlists will kind of cue you in. So there's like videos. There's Me, the Majestic Elixir. There's 6 videos in that one. There's 27 in beer brewing. There's 10 for the Turbo 500. So you can see I'm just giving them titles, and those are the playlists. Slide on. I've got others: making wine, distilling practices, my Pen TA4 controller, heat sources and selection. So you have many options, but you can go back and forth through these. Let me show you one more thing. We're going to open up a video, any video, doesn't matter. Let's hit this one. Now,
all you moonshiners, if you want to hear.
Well, welcome back, everybody.
Let me stop that and show you this. CC. Look at that. Now all the video plays.
George, and really, it's me. I'm the one that just got back.
So for those who are hearing impaired, you can always read what's being discussed on the video. You also have mini player, theater mode, play it on the TV. So there's many things you can do with this. Now, unfortunately, you're not able to download these, but at least you'll know how in the future if you ever want to just access any of these videos.
Well, that's it in a nutshell. We've covered all of it, and what kind of host would I be if I did not invite and remind everyone to please subscribe. Yes, share us with your friends, hit the little bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video. I watch the analytics from time to time, and still there's a large portion of viewers that have not subscribed. Imagine that. Well, nonetheless, we will keep on producing and publishing, and we'll keep on testing. We'll keep on demonstrating, explaining, and unlocking the mysteries of home distilling. Happy distilling.